Hello, my name is Tobias Huber. I'm the founder of Huber Scientific. Before I started my company, I was a researcher working in the field of solid-state ionics and physics. And I worked in many different countries. I was in Sweden, I was in Japan, I was in the US, I was in Austria. During that time, I realized that a lot of my colleagues, who were actually one of the most creative and most innovative guys in the world, had sometimes problems to build their scientific equipment for novel experiments because they had no education in engineering. So when I came back to Austria in 2016, I started my own company, and now I'm building customized solutions and novel experiments for my former colleagues around the world. For example, in China, I have customers like Tsinghua University, in US, MIT, Stanford, Oak Ridge National Lab, in Germany, Bosch, and Max Planck Institute in Austria, TU Wien, TU Graz. And for them, I build mainly novel experiments for high temperature experiments in the field of solid-state ionics and physics. If you would like to learn more about Huber Scientific, please visit our website, sofc.at.